Good morning. This is Frank with Morning Quick Shot. It is Friday, September 9th. It's about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. Let's take a look at the markets for the next minutes or so, looking at targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation, and then we'll look at the market profile for the big picture. So let's get started. So you can see we had the open last night at 21.77. Let's back up a second. You see we hit the zone up here, the 21.81.82 value area high of 81.75 yesterday. Started right around here about 1:30, went sideways, and then market closed 3 o'clock central. It started the downward trend, and right there at the opens at 77, kind of fluctuated today. So our high for last night was the 21.78.25. All right, and it just kept right on going down. Nuclear test in Korea, ECB news, Japan news. Uh, Market is now worried about the world's finances again, and we're coming right back through here. We are still on the move down. We had just broken the 38.2 retracement from the last major move. So this is a key thing. We're down around the 67.50 area. So let's take a look what might happen if we continue this trend today. This major, we have a good chance to bounce off this 38.2% retracement here at the 68 level as well. If we can get the bounce here, look for it to just slowly rise way back up, and maybe the market will just ignore what happened last night. But just keep in mind, it can pull up real fast right up in there to the 24-hour VWAP, maybe even back all the way to the open, and then drop straight back down again. A lot of people will be trying to take profits first thing this morning, so be real cautious. Right now, we're looking for a test of to come back and test the 69 area, where the 38.2 retracement is, and then possibly just move straight down. Okay, if it moves, we know we have the support has been good here at the 68 level, and it's also been good resistance in the past. So this is a key number to watch for us. We break below probably around to 66. Okay, might come down here, maybe to 65, look for it to come back and retest this to the upside. If we fail here at 67, 68 area, this little 2-point zone, look for this market to drill all the way down to this next zone into 60, possibly all the way down to the 2160 area itself, just below this zone. Just below, we have another profile line that's pretty strong here at 59. So we can come all the way down into here. And if this holds, there's a good chance we can pop right back here, and this will be the key reversal for today. The reason I'm saying that is just below these zones, right in the middle between these zones, is the 61 8-point retracement off the last major move. The market could have a full retrace all the way back to here. If it does, this is where we could get the big reversal. The market will definitely be tired by then, unless there's just some other major news that comes out this morning that would prevent us from going up at all. So look for the moves at a couple different places right here at this mark. Since we're rotating right here at this 68 level, we know that's good support, but be careful of it crossing through the 69 to transition to the upside. So after that, look for the move to the downside, followed by uh, these down and all the way down into this area. Watch this area really close at the 61.8, possibly down into this zone, just because it's there. So be cautious of that. Let's take a look to the upside. Say we do get the bounce at one of these 3 points. We get the bounce here at 58, the bounce right up here in this zone, or we get a bounce right up in here at the 38.2, and this holds and drives on up. Okay. If that does, we want to wait for us to get all the way back up in here for this 24-hour VWAP, get above our fib support lines in the next zone. Look for us to move all the way back up to the open at 77. Now this needs to hold up here, possibly go up and touch the 78, come right back down. It's going to come back, test the daily POC, the daily POC, and a retest of the 24 VWAP after crossing over it. Look for the retest there, then an opportunity to go long. Looking for the first target at 78, probably coming off of the zone around 73, about 5 points. After we do that, look for the market to come back and then retest this top of this zone, open again, and then drive on up into this area. Look at this consolidation area. Could start consolidating anywhere from the 79 all the way up into this 81 area into this zone. If we get some good power behind the bulls and they've got some leverage here, it will push right on up to this 83 area up into this zone. Yesterday's open. At this point, look for a big pullback all the way down to the 79 bottom of the zone. Look for this to hold. Now, if it does not hold, this is where you need to look for the downside momentum to just take right back over, and it could be ugly heading down, so be cautious. If, however, it holds, come back down. If we hold right here in this area, between 80.75 and right here 79.75. If we hold in this area, go back up, look for it to just run right back up into this 86. But it's up to this 87 level again. We have to close above this 87 into this 88 and stay closed above it if there's going to be possibility of any movement to the upside right now. So be cautious of that. Next zone's up, obviously 92, 94 market areas are good area to watch, and also up to 98. So if you have any questions, let me know. So let's take a quick look at the market profile. Please switch over here. Oops. Sorry, it's taking me a second. Mouse isn't cooperating. Market profile for the day, 4-hour chart. You can see we went right up to this 89 yesterday and came running right back down. We didn't stay above. It was tough to get through this yesterday at the 86, 87. It just popped up, stayed there, closed below that 87 again. Okay, right there. And then we're going to descend all night long. We are right at this 38.2 retracement when I took this snapshot here, look this morning, and we are still moving down right into here. So we need to be cautious of where this is going. Here's that 61.8 I told you about at the 58 level. Full retracement down here at 54. That's why I said it could go down into this area, kind of bleed down into here. Okay, so let's keep an eye on everything. Let's take a look at the daily for just a second. Daily shows just the same picture here. We've just been consolidating in here. We hit this 90 just barely right there, pulled right back down. And here we open this morning right in here at 78 level, and we are just dropping down. We're right now currently at around the 68 area, so be cautious of that. And if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.